What's the meaning of classify? Classify. Classify.
Classify. Classify. The word classify means to arrange or categorize things based on their characteristics or features. This process involves identifying similar traits and grouping them together while separating them from dissimilar ones. The result of classification is a more organized and manageable system that allows for easier analysis, understanding, and decision-making. In fields like science, education, and business, classification is an essential tool for managing data, identifying patterns, and drawing insights. Ultimately, the goal of classification is to simplify complex information and make it more accessible for practical use.